Hey, I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV-MC. Today we're going to show you how to install a Tusk Fender Eliminator kit on your Honda CRF450L. Now this gets rid of the bulky rear fender that's stock. It tucks everything up and out of the way. It looks way better, and it's going to help prevent any damage to your license plate or anything on that. So with all that being said, this is simple to do, so let's go ahead and get started. To do this job, you're going to need the Tusk Fender Eliminator kit. You can get that on our website. It comes with the fender eliminator and license plate brackets, as well as the necessary hardware to get that installed. Now to install it, you're going to need an 8 and 10 millimeter socket or combo wrenches, whichever you prefer, and a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. Now we're also going to be using some safety glasses since we're in the shop. To install the fender eliminator, the first thing you want to do is remove some of the stock components. So right here on the back, a lot of you guys are going to have a plastic cover. We've gone ahead and removed that since we've been using this for testing. But if yours is still on, you're going to have a fastener on each side, and then you have a push pin in the middle, and then that should come right off. After that, you need to remove the license plate light. So we're going to use a number 2 Phillips and an 8 millimeter combo wrench to remove this. Then we've got the wire clip on bottom. You're just going to pinch it together with your needle nose pliers and push this up. And we're going to remove that clip. We're going to set this light aside. To remove the bracket, we need to remove these 4 bolts, and the back 2 will be reused. Now we can set the fender eliminator bracket in place, and this V towards the back, we're just going to let the wiring sit in between that. I'm going to start with the back 2 bolts. Again, these are the original ones we removed. And then these front 2 bolts, these are the supplied M6 by 25 millimeter bolts. Then once you have those bolts started, you can go ahead and tighten them down. Then we can use our original hardware to attach the license plate light. And once you have that hardware tight, you can push any excess wire back through the hole in the top of the fender. Then you can use the remaining hardware to install the license plate and license plate bracket. And that's how you install the Tusk Fender Eliminator kit on your Honda CRF450L. If you have any questions about the install process, leave those down in the comments below. And if you need to pick one of these up, you can find them on our website. We offer free shipping on orders over $75. So go check that out and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV-MC. Thanks for watching.